When talking about grown men's toys, you can't leave an off-road vehicle which can take you through rugged terrains to see a whole new perspective of nature's beauty. Welcome to Team Visionaries, I'm Salome. When it comes to tough off-road vehicles, the Toyota Land Cruiser has an undeniable presence. As Toyota's last large displacement, naturally aspirated model, the Toyota Land Cruiser 200 has been our faithful companion for 18 good years. It has accompanied us on so many adventures for a very long time. So I think it's my turn to do something for it. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna bless it with a new set of gear, ensuring that it accompanies me for another decade. Yes, a whole other decade. It is possible. So without further ado, let's get it started. Guys, the wood, fender, grille and bumper were completely changed to the latest models. So I'm gonna take you to see these changes. But first of all, you have to know the old version was actually a little bit concave shape and the new one is more pronounced and three-dimensional design. So come and take a look at this wood, guys. Wow. Amazing. Come and see like how it is, very big and wide, little bit more advanced than the old version. And come and see, we've got the fender also. Ta-da! It was changed, guys. It's really amazing. You can actually take a look at it, little bit more perfect than before. Come and take a look. We also have another change, which is the grille. Guys, look at how amazing it is. It's actually more better and more perfect than before. It looks like, you know what we say, like the rich guy's car. And we also have the bumper here. It was also changed. Wow, amazing and perfect. I think on these changes, we can actually use one word, which is amazing. Now let's take a look at the shape of the grille. This is a hexagonal shape, and the width of this car, it gives a domineering appearance. What I mean is, when you are driving this car and you arrive at a certain place, people are gonna see we're talking money. Rich people are here. Take a look at the headlights, guys. The headlights, when they are paired with the fog lights, they execute like what we call a commanding presence. It attracts people. So when you just start your car, guys, as you can see, the light is blue and it will slowly turn into white. Isn't that amazing? Guys, here comes our new seats. So this is how the new seats are gonna look like. If you had taken a look at the old version of the seats, the leather was torn apart. It was not really good looking. But we have come, guys, with a new upgraded version of the seats. You can actually take a look at the color. Amazing, brownish, like orangish like. So the leather is really smooth. You can actually see, like when you touch it, it's really smooth and it's very easy to clean and wipe it off. That is, if you spill some tea, you make a little bit of stain, you can wipe it off by yourself. So they're gonna be installed inside and you will have a look at the result once we are done with the seats. So the main change on the tailgate is the top part. The top part was actually changed to the latest model, while the bottom part was actually left as the original version of the car. And as you can see, we have the VXR V8. This is the formidable character. So guys, after a few days of tuning this Land Cruiser, let's come and see what the interior looks like. Okay, the seats and the interior panels of this car have actually been completely reupholstered with genuine leather, complemented by the premium peach wood trim exuding a luxurious ambience. Guys, the lift panels and the inner armrest have been completely replaced. Quantum film has been applied on the windows to provide what we call heat insulation and glare prevention. The steering has also been upgraded into a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel. We have also added an air conditioner panel here, and there is a central navigation screen which was placed on top of the original setup. Also, which means you guys, you don't have to rely on your phone for navigation anymore. Besides that, we also removed the old shift gear lever to a new one, and then we also, the one that is put like this car navigation, it also supports what we call wireless CarPlay. Okay guys, so with you driving this kind of a big vehicle, what else do you need? Definitely you need an upgrade on foot pedals. Foot pedals makes it easy for passengers to enter and exit the vehicle, especially for kids, elderly people, and individuals with mobility issues. Besides that, the foot pedals helps protect the vehicle side skirts and thresholds from scratches, especially if you are driving on an off-road or what can you say, a rough terrain. These foot pedals can actually protect your vehicle. After 13 years of owning a Land Cruiser, this time under my modifications and upgrades, it has donned a new armor. So if you have any better modifications ideas, please don't forget to comment on the comment section below. And if you like this kind of modifications, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Elevate your ride, define your style.